In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Keltner Channels Indicators on TradingView Pro, quick and easy guide. Let's jump straight into it. First, make sure you're logged in and you have your TradingView chart open on your screen. It can be any market or time frame. The process is exactly the same. Once your chart is open, look toward the top of the page for the Indicators button. It usually sits near the toolbar above your chart. Go ahead and click on that Indicators button to open up the Indicators and Strategies window. When that window pops up, you'll see several tabs or sections. What you want to focus on is the Technical section. This is where TradingView keeps most of the built-in indicators you'll use for chart analysis. So move your cursor over to the Technical tab and click on it. That will filter everything, so you're looking specifically at technical indicators instead of things like financials or community scripts. Inside the Technical section, you'll notice a search bar at the top. This is the easiest way to quickly find exactly what you're looking for, instead of scrolling through a long list. Click on the search bar to activate it so you can start typing. Now, in that search bar, type in Keltner Channels. As you type, TradingView will automatically narrow down the results. You should see the Keltner Channels indicator show up in the list below. This is a volatility-based envelope indicator that plots upper and lower bands around a moving average, which many traders use to spot potential breakouts, pullbacks, or overextended price moves. Once you see Keltner Channels in the results, simply click on it. As soon as you do, the indicator will be added directly onto your chart. You'll see a center line with an upper and lower band surrounding the price. If you want to customize how it looks or behaves, you can hover over the Keltner Channels label on your chart, click the settings icon, and adjust things like the length, the multiplier, or the colors to match your personal trading style. Don't worry if you're new to this. You can always reset to default if you change something and don't like it. Finally, if you don't already have TradingView Pro and you want access to more tools, more indicators on a single chart, and an overall smoother experience, make sure to use the link in my description to sign up. That way, you'll be set up properly to follow along with future tutorials and get the most out of indicators like Keltner Channels. And that's all there is to it. Click on Indicators, go to the Technical section, use the search bar, type Keltner Channels and activate it on your chart.